Hello and welcome back to Automotive Sector with me, Hugh. If you're still watching, thanks. You've been here for 11 seconds now, so I appreciate that. Yeah, got a cool video coming up for you today. My friend has got a 900 brake horsepower GTR, which is absolutely crazy. And what's even more crazy is that there's still more work going on, so soon it's going to be 1,000 brake horsepower, which will just be just ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. So I got a video today. I went out with the car, did some filming, did some sort of rolling shots and some B-roll of the car, so it's definitely going to be one to stick around for. So I really hope you enjoy the video. There's no potato content this week, so yeah, I've left that to the side for now. But you know, maybe in future we'll have maybe a carrot or cauliflower, possibly. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Cool. just like that, by the power of YouTube, we're back. Let me know what you thought of that video. Pop some comments down, things, pop a thumbs up on the video, and obviously if you wouldn't mind sharing it, I'd really appreciate it. It's an absolutely insane car, and we're going to be having plenty more content with that in the future as well. Sorry about that noise. That is currently not a bit. Having a drink. There you go. Yeah, cool. Catch you on the next one. Bye.